You're gonna smile. Smile.
Why are you taking so long to take my picture? Are you fucking recording me or something? Quit. Ew. Quit! Take it off me. You're fucking annoying. I hate you. No, for real, dude. It's really hard for me to get up. Give me the camera.
No. No, you're not a goat! Get away!
Ew, you kicked me in the stomach.
I really look retarded. Why are you so camera shy?
Because you're fucking recording. I'm leaving. Screw you.
You'll be back.
No, I won't.
Laura! Come here, please. I turned it off. Yes, I did. I promise. I turned it off. Bitch, come here.